In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default line spacing in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a compelling presentation or refining your slideshow's readability, establishing a default line. Spacing is crucial to ensuring that your text looks consistent and professional. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can easily apply these changes every time you open PowerPoint. First things first, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. You can do this by clicking the PowerPoint icon, typically located on your application menu or desktop. Once opened, you'll either want to access an existing PowerPoint presentation or start with a fresh slate by creating a new one. If you choose to create a new one, don't hesitate to add in your photos, tables, and any other content you desire. The key here is having some text content to work with, as we're focusing on adjusting line spacing in your text areas. Once you've got your presentation ready, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the View tab. This tab is a gateway to editing the overall structure and appearance of your slides, hence why it's crucial for the task at hand. After you're in the View tab, locate and click on Slide Master. The Slide Master is a powerful tool that allows you to make broad changes that will reflect across your entire presentation. Now, you're faced with the Slide Master view, where you'll see a series of layouts. What you want to do here is select the layout that you desire to work on. This could be the title slide, a content slide, or any other specific layout used in your presentation. Now comes the important part: changing the line spacing for the text in the layout of the top slide, also known as the Slide Master itself. This slide at the very top is the master slide. In essence, what you apply here will cascade through all related slides below it. To adjust the line spacing, click on the text area you wish to modify, right-click to access the formatting options, and adjust the spacing settings to your preference to create a more readable text flow. This will ensure all the text within this particular layout adheres to the line spacing you've defined, making your presentation visually consistent. Once you've made your adjustments and you're satisfied with how it looks, simply click on Close Master View. This action will revert you back to the standard view of your slides. You've now successfully set your default line spacing in PowerPoint, and from here, any new slide that matches the layout you modified will automatically adopt these settings. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've just customized your PowerPoint presentation to have consistent line spacing, aligning your content for better readability and a professional appearance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in creating polished presentations in the future.